Hey gang, welcome back to another epic episode. Today, we're diving into the world of the iPhone 16 Pro. Get ready to have your minds blown.
We call us light in the darkness. You were the only thing I needed.
The first thing you'll notice is the bigger screens. The Pro Max has a massive 6.9-inch display, making it perfect for watching videos and gaming. The Pro, on the other hand, sticks with a 6.1-inch screen, but it's still plenty big enough for most tasks. Both models have thinner bezels and a crisp OLED display that's super vibrant and bright. Under the hood, these phones are powered by the A18 Bionic chip, which is a powerhouse. Everything feels smooth and snappy, whether you're multitasking, gaming, or just browsing the web. The Pro Max, in particular, handles everything like a champ, thanks to its extra RAM. The camera setup on these phones is top-notch. The Pro Max has a triple camera system with improved low-light performance and a new camera control button that makes it super easy to adjust settings on the fly. The Pro also gets the same camera setup, so you're getting the best of the best no matter which model you choose. Battery life is always a big deal, and Apple has delivered. Both models have improved battery life over their predecessors, with the Pro Max lasting even longer thanks to its larger battery. You can easily get through a full day of heavy use without needing to recharge. Running on iOS 18, the iPhone 16 Pro Max introduces Apple Intelligence, which brings AI-powered features to the device. While it's still in beta, it shows promise for future updates. Large, stunning display, the 6.9-inch screen is a joy to use. Powerful performance, the A18 Pro chip is top-notch. Enhanced camera system, great for photography and videography. Long battery life, easily lasts a full day. New camera control button, convenient for quick access to camera features. Size, it's a big phone, which might not be for everyone. Price, as with all Apple flagships, it's on the pricier side. Apple Intelligence, still in beta, so not all features are fully realized yet. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is a fantastic device that builds on the strengths of its predecessor while introducing some new features. It's perfect for those who want a large screen, powerful performance, and a great camera setup. If you're already an iPhone user, this is a worthy upgrade, especially if you're coming from an older model. Alright Tech Fam, that's it for today's deep dive into iPhone 16 Pro Max. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to smash that like button and hit subscribe if you haven't already, so you won't miss any future tech insights and reviews. Got questions or thoughts? Drop them in the comments below, and let's get the conversation rolling. Catch you in the next one. Stay tech savvy.